Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. Students, today we will discuss problems where the variables are in denominators. First we have a problem like this is 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2. That is the equation. And second equation is 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. Now look these two equations. Generally it look not like the linear equations in two variables. First try to convert it into basic form, standard form. Let this is equation 1 and let this is equation 2. The equation 1 can be written as like this one. This is 5 into 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 into 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2, right? And then equation 2 can be written like this. This is 6 into 1 upon x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. Now see, in both the equations, in equation 1 and equation 2, we rewrite this one in this form. Now check it. This is 1 upon x minus 1 that is in first equation, and it is also in second equation 1 upon x minus 1. And second term is 1 upon y minus 2, and the second, this is in second equation, the term is 1 upon y minus 2. Let's assume in another variables to solve the problem that let 1 upon x minus 1, it is both equation, it is, and the both equations are the same, that is let a or any other variables apart from the x and y, and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to b. Now this is the two. Now this is equation 1 becomes, this is 5 into a plus 1 into b, that is b, is equal to 2. 1 into b is equal to 2. Now suppose this is the equation third, and the second equation will like this one, will be like this one. This is 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. Now this is equation 4. Let's suppose this one, right? Now this is the a and b are variable for us now, and the coefficient of a is 5 and b coefficient is 1, and that is constant term 2. And second equation, that means in equation 4, this is 8, 6 and 3. We whether you can eliminate this a or you eliminate to b, or you can use the substitution or cross multiplication method, whichever you are comfortable. Let's do it by the elimination method. See, if I multiply this equation 3 by 6 and equation 4 by 5, if equation 3 multiply by 6, this equations for like when we multiply this one by 6 and this one 4 by 5, then the coefficient of a will the same, and so that we can solve it further. See, 6 5s are 30. This is 30a plus 6b is equal to 12. This is equation 5. And now this is 30a minus 15b is equal to 5. Okay, this is 5, equation number 6. Now check it. The coefficient is the same. It is 30a, it is 30a, and sign is same. So now we will subtract 5 minus 6. That means the sign will be changed. It is plus minus, then minus plus, and this is minus. That is cancel out, and this is 6 plus 15, this is 21b is equal to 12 minus 5, it is 7. It was plus, now it is negative. Now b is equal to, the transfer to right hand side is 2 upon 21, the 7 1, this is 3, it is 1 upon 3. Now b we have 1 upon 3, but actually what is the b is we have 1 upon y minus 2. So that this implies that 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3. If we cross multiply, we get y minus 2 is equal to 3. Then this is y is equal to 5. Now what we have, this is y is equal to 5. See here now you can put the y in any equations 1 or 2. You can directly get the x, or put the value of b, or put the value of b in third or fourth. Let's put it in third equation. See, in third, this is 5a plus b. B is we have here, it is 1 upon 3 is equal to, it is 2. It is equal to 2. Now this implies that this is 5a is equal to 2 minus 1 upon 3. Just take LCM 1. This is equal to 3. It is 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. Now what we have, this is 5a is equal to 5 by 3. So now a is equal to 5 by 3. It is 5 is multiple of a. Now we can, if you transfer it from right hand side, that it will be in divisor, and denominator means, I mean to say, this is 5 on the 5. This is a is equal to 1 upon 3. Now it is the value of a, but we have to find out the x and y. So what is the a? This is a is 1 upon x minus 1. That is equal to 1 upon 3. If you cross multiply this one, we get x minus 1 is equal to 3. Then x is equal to 4. Now what we have, the two values. What is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Now you can check it whether the answer is correct or not. If you put the value of x and y in equation 1 and 2, then we get the right hand value. If you put the x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5, and then we get answer is 2, right? And second equation, you put x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5, we get the 1, right? Okay. Thank you, students, and in next sessions we will solve some another problems. Thank you.